Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, working on this Skoda 5-year 1.4 diesel. We have P200800 intake manifold runner, bank 1, control circuit open. If the car's got engine management light on, it's in limp mode. I shall show you where to find this code, component in other words, and how to eliminate it. So this fault code is to do with the sensor here, the transducers it's known as well. I could be wrong, correct me guys, but this is transducers. It's really easy to work on, nothing difficult. It's only that bolt doing it. They know for the valves in there to go, and when they do, they give wrong readings. It puts the car into limp mode. So recommendation is get another one OEM. A lot of you think, oh, it's the manifold, it's probably cracked, but then again, don't be fooled, it could be cracked as well. I mean, for all you know, you got to do a smoke test, you might be cracked somewhere, but because it's telling us control circuit open, it's to do with this sensor here. It's literally plug and play, nothing fancy. You can do a reset adaptation as well after, but you don't need it. I'll just say do a full scan and clear, and this should hopefully eliminate the fault code. You shouldn't have any engine warning. That's where the code is, that's where the component is. Just make sure you take a picture of things. I mean, I've got this one on here, so I'm hoping your guys is the same. I always say take a picture so you know which pipe goes where. The last thing is you'll be screwed if you don't.